Vlogmas, gotta get down on Vlogmas. Yeah, Vlogmas day 2, y'all. What's good?
Day dos.
Actually, our tree we had from last year that we sprayed with a little bit of this, but we're gonna decorate this as well.
We wish you a Merry Vlogmas, we wish you a Merry Vlogmas, we wish you a Merry Vlogmas, and we hope you subscribe.
What's good, JD Empire? It's your boy D-Pain playing. Remember the face, remember the name.
And it's your girl Jade, and we back in this thing.
Yes, sir. We are back with another.
Five.
Yes, sir. We are about to get
jolly. This is some of the stuff that we got on the table, and then we have a box of other stuff. So let's get to decorating.
We really don't have like a plan of what we want the tree to look like. We just winging it. We going for clean and festive.
And jolly.
You feel me? I really don't know if we got a lot, if we got enough to make the tree look right. But I mean, if we don't, we just gonna get some more.
Right.
You know what I mean? We gonna find out.
We have our little tiny tree over here. It's so tiny. See, that's why we had to get the other tree this year. No, we're not gonna do the little tiny tree. Our main colors are green and red because our other tree is mainly red.
These actually from last year right here.
Right. And I feel like those are super cute.
Right. I forgot we had them.
Right. We couldn't find them. We literally had to like search for them.
We actually put up that white tree on Halloween. We did add a couple ornaments actually, like a couple little ornaments, but we ain't really done much after Halloween. Now we really diving into it, getting everything festive. You feel me?
Yeah.
What's
a little montage of.
No, go ahead.
A little montage of the Christmas decorating. Okay, so we found this little snowman that we had last year, and it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. We were thinking about putting it on the wall, but then D-Pain had this really great idea that we should put it on the tree. Let us know in the comments what you think about it and how you feel about it.
I don't know. You feel me? I feel like it looks smooth. I think I like it.
I'm gonna back up a little bit.
I feel like it's smooth. I feel like it worked. I feel like especially once you get some more color around it, I feel like it's different, I think.
Right? It'll pop.
Let us know what y'all think in the comments. We need to make some space. I got ahead of myself. It's very early in the morning.
Early in the morning or late at night?
It is 1:45 in the morning. That's like both of those.
Right?
What do y'all call it? Late at night or early in the morning?
I call it late at night. He call it early in the morning.
It's just both.
Y'all saw his waves though? That was like a long time ago. That was my phone. This is my phone right here.
This is like one of my favorite ornaments.
Right? Really nice ornament.
We got you a friend.
We do. Look, it's a friend. You got your little red friend. Oh, they're so cute. We should put them next to each other. Or should we put that on the, right? Or should we put that on the other tree, on the green tree?
Oh, no.
I low-key like it. I low-key want to put it on the white tree next to it. Right? They really do. You see the sparkles on the handles? Oh my gosh.
So now we go ahead and we throwing some ornaments up on the tree. Like I said, I don't really know. I kind of got a little bit of an idea right now. Something I'm thinking, but I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. We gonna find out. So right here. Now I'm gonna put it here because I already know initially I'm gonna need some color around the snowman to make sure he don't blend in too much. Go ahead and start by putting some green and some red around the snowman. That way he gonna stand out and I don't have to worry about that, and I can come around him. What color are y'all decorating y'all's Christmas trees this year? What aesthetic are y'all going for? A lot of people doing the Grinch vibe.
He can have some white next to him too.
Yeah, I just wanted it to get it. And now we can spread them.
When do y'all set up y'all's Christmas trees? When do you think it's appropriate to like set up your Christmas tree?
August.
In August?
Mm-hmm.
Boy.
People have Christmas in July.
We sprayed like the little snow can and like my hands are so dirty.
Sprayed that on what? Halloween probably? Post. A little bit after. She just told me that we should have put this up first. So we gonna go ahead and throw it up here now. We gonna have to probably just tuck him behind the snowman.
Or we can take the snowman off real quick.
Yeah, honestly, that's the easiest way to do it. Where should we go with it?
We can go around this way.
Yeah.
I think we have 2, right?
I believe so.
So let's just make it tight.
JG over here adding on a little bit more of this so we can get it all the way around the tree down to the bottom. So far, I think it's coming together a little bit. Just a little song, you feel me? Nothing too crazy right now.
So we didn't know our audio stopped working.
So we ended up having to do a voiceover.
Some of the ornaments from last year didn't match the color scheme, but we had some super cute gold ones that we had to use.
And so we ended up deciding to hook all the ornaments before we hang them. That's easier.
And if you didn't see Vlogmas Day 1, my nails are cringe. Yes, I did them.
Yeah, you also dropped quite a few ornaments, but luckily I was here to catch them. On the 5th day of Christmas, my drive-thru gave to me 5 onion rings, 4 Egg McMuffins, 3 Biggie Fries, 2 Happy Meals, and a big double Whopper with cheese.
And then he started telling me a story about how he was a glizzy for Christmas.
But as y'all can see, she wanted to try it too. So now what?
Y'all wouldn't believe what we forgot. Man, we forgot a Christmas tree.
We forgot a Christmas tree topper, y'all. She's stupid. It's okay. We just gonna end up going to get another one, y'all. But watch right here. She gonna try to run into me.
It looks so great. Like, I'm so proud of you. But if you enjoyed this video and you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe.
Yes, sir.
And stay tuned for Vlogmas, because we're posting every single day.
Every single day, bro. That's the goal. Y'all already know what it is. It's Vlogmas. That's the Vlogmas vibe. We're going to be back tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 3.
Again.
I almost got lost.
And don't forget to mention our hats in the comments.
If y'all know where my hat come from, you not a casual. This is a classic Christmas movie.
Go smash that like button right now. Go like it right now. Peace.
It's the holiday remix. Think I only want you under my